Hello there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up auto replies for WhatsApp. That is, if somebody sends you hi, for example, and if you are offline, so your phone will automatically reply for you. How is that possible? So, that is what I'm going to show you today. For that, you can make use of this app called Autoresponder WAW. That is only WAW, means it has not written WhatsApp, it has only written Autoresponder WAW. So that is the name of the app. See.
Autoresponder WA.
Okay. Okay. So Autoresponder WAW it is. So let's open this app.
Autoresponder for WA. App icon, out of pager.
App icon.
Welcome, smiley face.
Welcome.
Please grant notification access to autoresponder for WA.
Okay, so we have to grant it notification access because it needs to read the messages that are sent to us in order to reply those in order to give reply to those messages, or if it will not be able to read the notifications which are coming to us, how is it going to reply? So we have to grant notification access.
Get started button.
Get started. We have
Notification access. Navigate up button. Notification. Android Auto allowed on switch 1 of 7
Okay.
in list 7 items.
Notification access. So as you click on get started, you will be redirected to settings and you have to turn this app, okay, autoresponder for WAW. You have to turn on the notification access for this.
Google allowed on switch. Digital web. Google Play. Android. Autoresponder for WA not allowed off switch 2 of 7.
Here you have autoresponder for WAW not allowed, so you have to click on it. It will
Allow autoresponder for WA. Autoresponder for WA will be able to deny button. Allow button.
okay, allow.
Autoresponder WA. Open navigation drawer button.
Then here we have open navigation drawer. Let's see.
Menu.
Menu has opened.
Autoresponder for WA version 2.1.9.
Version.
Checked. Rules.
Checked rules. You should not uncheck this option.
Test your rules.
Test your rules. So rules are basically the replies that you have set up. So like for example, if I send you hi, you have replied hello, you have set up the reply as hello in return to that, if you have set it that way. So if you want to check that whether this app is working properly or not, so you can go in rules and then you can test it, okay, whether it's working or not.
Settings.
Settings.
Tasker. Share with friends.
So I can share this app with friends.
More apps on Google Play.
More apps on Google Play.
Autoresponder for FB. Autoresponder for IG. Autoresponder for TG.
Okay, all this is there.
Back.
In open navigation drawer. So let's see ahead.
Accessibility. Fab button. Autoresponder WA.
So now we have the fab button. Here is the main work of the app. As you click on fab, you can create a new rule. So I'll click on fab.
Rule. Navigate up button.
Navigate up.
Rule. GoPro.
GoPro.
Received message.
Received message.
All button.
All.
Should be answered. Edit box for received message.
Here you have to write the received message. Means what should be received, like what should come in from the opposite member to you. So I'll write hi.
English US QWERTY shown. Capital G. Sam. Cap. Seconds. I.
Okay, I have
Showing
written
items
hi.
1 to 4 of 9.
I have written hi.
Not checked. Welcome message pro. Not checked. Similarity. Editing. Hi. Edit box. Should be answered for received message. Out of list.
Okay, I have written hi.
Checked. Exact match. Radio button. 1 of 5. In list. 5 items.
Then ahead there is exact match. So the message, if the message is word to word same, then only your message will be answered by this app. Okay, if you have checked the checkbox of exact match.
Not checked. Similarity match. Radio button. 2 of 5.
Then similarity match. So somebody might as well add an emoji of waving hand sign. So you can keep it to similarity match, so that if somebody adds an emoji or changes some letters like capital small, so then also your app should reply. So I'll check this.
Checked.
But it's upon you. If you want, you can keep it to exact match also.
Not checked. Pattern matching pro required. Radio button. Disabled. 3 of 5. Not checked. Pattern matching pro required. Radio button. Disabled. 3 of 5.
Not checked. Pattern matching pro required. Now if we want to check this checkbox, we'll have to buy the pro version of this. Now all the other checkboxes, mostly the checkboxes will be pro required.
Not checked. Expert pattern matching pro required. Radio button. Not checked. Welcome message pro required. Radio button. Disabled. 5 of 5.
So these are all pro required checkboxes.
Info exact. Button. Out of list.
Info exact. From here you can check what is exact match,
Info similar. Button.
what is similarity match, like the meanings of them, what do they mean.
Info pattern. Button.
Okay.
Info pattern expert. Button. Info welcome message. Button. Try for free. Button.
Now there is try for free. When I click here, I'll have to watch an ad and then I can try these things which are of pro version for free.
Unlock everything now. Button.
Unlock everything now. I can buy the pro version. I guess it is only of 75 rupees.
Reply message.
Reply message.
Add tags. Button. Reply message. Add tags. Button.
We can add tags.
Should be sent. Edit box for reply message.
Now what should be sent for hi? In reply to hi, what should be sent? So that we have to write here. Like if you send hi, so what should be the reply to that? So we'll write, for example, we'll write
Capital H. Capital A. Q. A. Hara. Hama. Have. 1 of 8. Enter. Backs. A delete. O. W. Space. Showing. E. R. Space. R. U. Space. U. Showing. Optional. Rule. Not checked. Info dialog flow. Not. Dash. Button. Multiple. Add. Reply message. Add tag. Editing. How are you? Edit box. Should be sent for reply message.
I have written how are you here. So whenever somebody sends me hi, they will be asked this question, how are you?
Multiple replies. Pro required.
Replies. Again, for this pro is required. So meaning you can send multiple replies for one message. For example, somebody send you hi. So you'll set multiple replies. Okay. For example, you'll set up hello. And then after hello is gone, after the hello message is sent, it will be asking us, how are you? Okay, like this you can set 2, 3, 4 replies for one message itself. For that, pro is required.
Checked. 1. Radio button. 1 of 3. In list. 3 items.
1 means one reply.
Not checked. All. Radio button. Disabled. 2 of 3.
And all is for the many replies. Like if I set up 4 replies, so all 4 should be sent. So I cannot check this checkbox because I can't. I don't have the pro version.
Not checked. Random. Radio button. Disabled. 3 of 3.
Random is there. So here if you have set some reply, so they should go in sequence, like number 1, number 2, number 3, or they can go in any random way. Like sometimes hello will go first and sometimes how are you will go first. Okay, like that.
Dash button disabled out of list.
Dash button.
Plus button disabled.
Okay.
Not checked. Process messages with dialog flow as pro required checkbox disabled.
Dialog flow is also there. For this also pro is required.
Info dialog flow button.
Info is there. You can check the meaning if you don't know.
Not checked. Connect your web server pro required checkbox disabled.
You can connect your web server.
Info webhook button. Optional.
Optional.
Delay in seconds.
Delay in seconds.
Info delay button.
Info delay means what is the meaning?
3 asterisk pro required 3 asterisk. Edit box for delay in seconds disabled.
Okay. So how many seconds should be delayed? You can set up here.
3 asterisk pro required 3 asterisk. Edit box disabled.
So 3 seconds is showing here.
Receiver.
Receiver.
Checked. Individuals. Radio button. 1 of 3. In list. 3 items.
Individuals. Now receiver. It is showing individuals means who should receive the message when they send hi. So individuals.
Not checked. Groups. Radio button. 2 of 3.
Groups.
Not checked. Both. Radio button. 3 of 3.
Or both. So means individuals also and groups also. If you set it to only individuals, then if somebody sends you a hi in group, then the message won't be replied. But if somebody sends it to you personally, it will be replied. But if you set it for both, so it will be replied when somebody messages you personally as well as in group.
Checked.
Okay.
Specific contacts out of list.
Specific contact.
Select specific contacts button.
Okay, so you can select specific contacts.
Info button.
Info, again you can check the meaning.
Separate with commas edit box for specific contacts.
Separate with commas. So here what I can do is click on the keyboard and then write the name. For example, mom is my name of somebody in my contacts. So I'll write mom and then I'll give a comma and then write dad and then I'll give a comma and then I'll write somebody else's name. Okay, so comma, you have to separate the names of contacts with commas. So when you put a comma, it will locate that the other contact name is starting, and this way you can write the names of the contacts which you want to
Info specific contacts.
which you want to send to.
Info separate with comma ignored contacts.
Now we have ignored contacts and same things are there here also.
Select ignored contacts button. Info 2 button. Separate with commas edit box for ignored contacts.
Here also you have to separate the names of contacts with commas and then you can set up ignored contacts.
Conditions.
Conditions.
Not checked. Reply only at specific times and days. Pro required checkbox disabled.
Again you can reply at specific times and dates. For this also pro is required. Means if you want you can reply only at those times and those dates.
Info specific times button.
Here also you can view the meaning.
Not checked. Reply only if previous rule was executed within the last X seconds. Pro required checkbox disabled.
Okay, here also this is something really complex which I tried to understand but I did not. So if you can understand.
Info previous rule timeout button. Not checked. Reply only if screen is off or locked. Pro required checkbox disabled.
Okay, reply only if screen is off. So if you are using your phone, so it will not reply. But if your screen is off, then only your message will be replied.
Not checked. Reply only if device is charging. Pro required checkbox disabled.
Okay, these are basic things. Reply only if charging, device is charging.
Not checked. Reply only if ringer is silent. Pro required checkbox disabled.
Okay, only if ringer is silent.
Not checked. Reply only if do not disturb mode is active. Pro required checkbox disabled. Not checked. Reply only if car mode is active. Pro required. Checkbox disabled.
Okay.
Priority notifications.
Priority notifications.
Info priority notification button.
You can view the meaning.
Not checked. Show a priority notification. Checkbox.
Okay, you can view, if you want, you can have a priority notification by checking the checkbox.
Pause rule 4.
Pause rule for.
Info pause 4 button.
You can view the meaning again.
3 dash edit box for pause rule 4.
Again, you can write it in the edit box provided.
Drop down list seconds.
Seconds is there, so
Pop up window. Seconds in minutes.
minutes,
Hours.
hours,
Days.
days.
Messages.
Okay, messages is also there, meaning for example, one message is sent, another message comes, then you have to reply the first one.
Seconds.
Okay, I'll keep it seconds only.
Rule. Drop down list seconds out submenu.
Submenu.
Add subrule button.
You can add sub rules here
Info submenu button.
and view the meaning.
Not checked. Go to rule checkbox.
Go to rule is there.
List for submenu.
List.
Autoresponder for 3 period on Google Play.
Okay.
Signal button.
Signal. This is also a social media messenger app.
Telegram button.
Telegram.
Instagram button.
Instagram.
Messenger button.
Messenger.
Fab button.
And then Fab is there. So Fab is basically the save button. That much is only there. So we'll save it.
Autoresponder WA. Fab button.
So again, my focus is on Fab, so I can create one more reply. One more rule. Okay, I can go on creating rules as many as I like. Okay, so that is how you can set up auto replies
As
for your
screen
WhatsApp.
selected. Record button.
Meaning you can set up automatic replies. You will not have to reply. Your phone will automatically reply it for you. So this was it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comments section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.